Ayan na. I just supposed to rain the whole weekend, and I don't think we've had more than 5 minutes of rain this weekend, so it's all good. A beautiful place when it's not windy and not raining. Many other places that gives you the scenery that this doesn't. There's the Mullaries. Away from home. Great served us well. A great weekend so far. My baby climbing a tree. Oh my goodness. Is this going to be one of those blooper moments?
Say bye!
Oh, I missed Cheryl. There's Cheryl. There's Cheryl. Who's that? Who's that? Who are you? Ariana. You having fun camping? Hey? Yeah? Okay, come down. Are you going to go higher? What are you doing? Be careful. You fall down, you're going to break an arm. Okay? Just saying. Okay, hop down. Jump. 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 There you go. Atta girl.
Can I see my video?
No.